Hello everyone, I'm your host today. My name is Cosmero Altacuken.
And Pahmia lagi.
Welcome to our podcast about young and mothering stories of strength, struggle, and growth. Today, we'll talk about another brief topic. Being a young mother in our country, it's not uncommon to meet girls as young as 15 or 16 who are already carrying in responsibility of motherhood. But what does it really mean to be a young mom? What are the struggles? What are the hidden strengths behind the challenges?
First, let's be read being a mother at any age is tough. But being a mother while you're still growing up yourself, that's another level of strength. Many young moms have to put their dreams on pause to care for their babies, often without enough support from family or society.
Imagine juggling schoolwork, taking care of a baby, and facing judgment from people who don't even your story. That's the reality for many young mothers. Behind every young mother, quietly taking care of her child, there are tears, fears, and dreams that were once interrupted but never truly disappear.
But here's the thing behind every young mother is a powerful story, a story of resilience, love, sacrifice, and hope. A lot of these young women refuse to give up. They work harder, dream bigger, and fight for a better future for their children.
Often, when you get pregnant at a young age, the first reaction from the world is judgment. But the truth is, they don't know how you whole story. They don't know how you cry at the night from exhaustion. How you force yourself to smile for your child, even when you have barely any strength left. They don't know how you push yourself to keep going, even when it feels like the whole world has turned against you.
And it's important to us, instead of judging them, how can we, as a community, support them? How can we help young mothers get access to education, job, and emotional support to second staircase their dreams while raising a family?
But here's what I want to tell you, you are not alone. And more importantly, you should never be ashamed of being a young mother because do you know what you have? Courage, love, and heart never gives up. Motherhood is not measured by age. It is a measure by inner strength, by sleepless night, by sacrifice, and by every gives and by every kiss you give your child before they sleep.
I want to leave a few tips for you. First, breathe. Every day is a new beginning. You don't have to be a perfect. You just need to keep going.
Second, find support. Even just one friend, family member, or online community. Sometimes it's enough to just hear someone say you can do it.
And lastly, embrace yourself. You don't need the word permission to believe that you are a good mother.
So, to all young mother out there, I salute you. You are not weak. You are truly strong. It's not easy to study while taking care of a child. You have an exam on one hand and a crying baby on the other. But you know what? It's possible, difficult, but not impossible. Education is not a hindrance to being a mother. Being a mother is not a hindrance to finishing school.
My friends, you don't have to be a perfect to succeed. And even if you already have a child, you still have a right to dream and to learn.
Today, let's shift the perspective from judgment to understanding. from shame to support, from doubt to empowerment. Thank you for joining me today here on Daisy's Radio. Remember, every young mother is not just a statistic. She is a warrior, a dreamer, and most of all, a person who deserves kindness and opportunities. Until next time, keep your minds open, your heart kinders.